court dismisses Nnamdi Kanu's no-case submission, orders him to file for defense. See, I am curious, and I genuinely want to understand in Nigeria. I want to understand, like, I'm curious. I want to know. I'm asking like a novice, like someone that just came into Nigeria today, that doesn't know anything. I want someone to explain to me the constitution Nigeria is using. I want to know, are we using two constitutions, or are we in two separate countries? Is the constitution governing some part of Nigeria different from the constitution governing some part of Nigeria? I know why I'm asking, because these people took their time, energy, resources, travel to Kenya, carry person for night from Kenya, come into Nigeria, put them for DSS, because they talk say in talk, no be Hindu, no be say Hindu, in talk something will be like instigation, will be like violence, in talk, now talk in talk. They carry them from Kenya, all the way from Kenya, carry them Nigeria. Since then, 2021, he dey inside. Then they carry them, they come court, carry them, they go back, carry them, they come court, carry them, they go back from DSS office. Since then, tell us what did this man do now, or just finish the case. If you want sentence him, you sentence him. No. He dey inside since then, reach today. Now he don't submit no case based on say, man, I don't understand what they go on. What did I even do? When I dismiss him today, they tell him say make him file for defense. While the other part of the country, bandit wey gree say he be bandit. You know what he be say? Person gree say yes, I'm a bandit, nothing go happen. I be bandit. I agree. As in the person that agree with you full chest. Talk say nothing I go do me. See that bandit, eh? That's my area of concentration. The person agree say he be bandit, you know they hide them. What do you remember for the person that print complimentary card they give? How far now? What do you do? My name is Sule. See my complimentary card. I do bandit. Agree. Government they see him. They see him with weapons. Meanwhile, they don't see the other person with weapon. Then they see this person with weapon. What did they do? They call the person peace talk. The person with gun. They call him peace talk. Come, let's dialogue. Let's negotiate. We want to talk. We want to see the way forward. Let's know the way forward. What can we do together? Now, the person where agree saying ban, they do guy. They give condition. They give them demand. They give government demand what they want and what they don't want. Are we practicing two constitution? You see, when people go come out, come they talk say, I no like, they no like waiting the way country they behave. It can't be like. In fact, this thing what they do now, they validate waiting Nnamdi Kanu where una put for inside that place. They talk since you are validating him, telling him that true, there are two separate countries. When in the talk say you know one being in Nigeria, we are validating him by this action now where una they take. One agree say him be bandit. The other one they fight for say in people say no, we know one day with these people again. No, we won't come out. Una no see anything. Una no feel release that one. He chose peace now. But this one where you don't see what they happen. They negotiate with government ordinarily. Now government they talk say we don't negotiate with bandits. But now na bandit they talk say I don't want to negotiate with government. And we country quiet. Nigerians no one even talk anything. You know why they laugh with all these things? Because if you keep quiet based on saying you don't like the person where they do them to, when it go happen to you, you go shock. Mamma mia.
South Federal Constituency, the National Assembly. I am the primary representative of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We're very disappointed in the ruling of the court today. where especially the court took a position that the extraordinary rendition was not going to be part of the consideration today. But he, however, to be fair to him, said if we can prove that there were extraordinary rendition, then that would change his consideration. So we are coming back. I've been assured by the lawyers that they are coming back to show that proof. One, the issue of jurisdiction. We will now know whether this court has jurisdiction or not. That's number one. Then number two, there seems, I keep saying it, there seems to be two sets of rules in this country. One for the Igbo man and the other one for every other Nigerian. Where every other Nigerian gets a reprieve, the Igbo man would not get a reprieve. You look at even the issue of the health situation of our brother. There have been many circumstances where people have been given opportunities to go and seek medical care, yet Nnamdi Kanu is denied. Even the president, at every consideration, the president goes overseas to take care of himself. He doesn't even subject himself to Nigerian medical attention. So it is very wrong for them to deny Nnamdi, who the doctors have laid clear evidences that he's having insufficiencies, organ insufficiencies. And what is the government waiting for? For him to die? And then the circumstances will now be brought up again? So, but for the Igbos, I'm more disappointed with the Igbos. The political leadership of the Igbo land, the spiritual and otherwise concerned, are keeping quiet, extraordinarily quiet, on the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Especially when it is shown that when it concerns to others, especially in the north, the government is negotiating with terrorists, non-terrorists, dressed up who with guns and having
intimidate you people, because for land that the SSS are even trying to intimidate eminent Professor Emeritus, Professor Araj, who has been a Provost College of Medicine, University of Nigeria, who has been a dean. Then his medical record is there, and somebody that is not even a consultant is questioning the report given by Araj. Now the team, you people constituted, met Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that was 3 days ago, at the DSSS, and Nnamdi Kanu subjected himself. We have that report. That report, as you people have it, provide it in court. Having said that, now, what gave rise to this particular issue of medical council is the petition I personally submitted against Dr. Mohammed Nasiru from DSSS, the doctor that never examined Nnamdi Kanu, but he decided to depose falsely on oath. 37 paragraph affidavit. I submitted that petition. It was on that basis that Attorney General ordered the medical council to constitute a different board. We have been following it up, and that petition must be heard. And the Dr. Nasri should be, with his license as a medical doctor, if he is, should be withdrawn. I give Barrister Maxwell Opera PhD is submitting. He should be there. Just like what Honorable said, I'm highly disappointed to my fellow Igbo people.
Oh my God.
Nnamdi Kanu is suffering this because he's an Igbo.
Yes.
We must say it.
Yes.
Had it been that Nnamdi Kanu is from the north or from the south or southwest, we wouldn't have been there by now. And everybody's keeping quiet. Both the religious leaders, both the political leaders, both those in diaspora, nothing is happening. You feel that Nnamdi Kanu that is I'm highly disappointed. So this is the genesis. The judge said that. The judge said that he's not aware of extraordinary rendition. We are taking it like that. We are going to bring a formal application. We are going to attach all the whole judgment given by even Kenya. The country said that yes, our country did not do well. Now Malami is now, he has turned activist. The Malami that comes in, he has turned activist. He's now in opposition. As you are doing anything, remember that you cannot be in government forever.
Yes, tomorrow.
That is my message to you. Thank you.
I want to say something. And finally, hold on. And finally, to conclude everything, it is despicable. We take a serious exception to the fact that the doctor that examined Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, emeritus professor of medicine, well renowned all over the world, that someone from the government side reported him to the Nigerian Medical Association, and he was summoned to Lagos to face a panel, all because he returned the truthful diagnosis on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So this persecution knows no bounds. We are wondering when they are going to come after the lawyers as well. They are now going after the doctors. The idea that the doctor, the primary physicians for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, chosen by him, is being intimidated by the government is despicable. The primary goal of everybody should be the health condition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, not the intimidation of anybody that brings the truth before the authorities. The doctor is a witness of truth, and on that truth we shall stand. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's health condition is very paramount, and everybody should go out there and talk about it. You cannot stand trial if you are not healthy. Thank you very much.
I want to say something very important, because I'm thinking that this ruling favors us. To some extent, the judge said that there is no evidence of extraordinary rendition before him. That is the case of jurisdiction. He has said it. Yes. So we are not entering defense until the court determines it. Whether he has jurisdiction or not. So the court has given us a hint. We are going to file it and bring the evidence that the court wants. Once it discovers that then the court has no jurisdiction. So let us go with the hope in our heart that the door is not closed. We are going to do it.